In this video, I am going to show you how to edit text on Wix. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our Wix website and today we are going to edit its text. So to do this, open your Wix account and then from the sites just hover over the site and then click on select and edit site. After that, click on edit site from the top and this will take you to the Wix website editor. Now to edit any text, just select the text and then click on edit text. Now you can write or paste your own text here. As you can see that our text is now changed. Now if you want to change the style of this text, just select the text. Here we have two options. If you want to change its heading, then you can do it from here. And if you want to change the font of your text, then you can do it from here. After that, if you want to decrease or increase the font size, then you can do it from here. Now if you want to make it bold or italic, then select it from here. Now to change this text color, just select the color from here and then you can choose any color and it will be changed. Now to highlight this text, just select highlight from here and as you can see that our text is now highlighted. To add a link to your text, just select link from here and you can add different types of links to your text. After that, you can change the alignment of your text. You can add bullets or numbering from here. You can increase or decrease indent from here and also you can change the text direction from here. So using this technique, you can edit any text on your website. Just select the text and then click on edit text and here you have all the settings for the text. So this is how you can edit text in Wix website. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.